they filed 23 count charges against this man, including that he pushed his wife out of a moving vehicle. Can you imagine that? He pushed his wife out of a moving vehicle. Somebody that said that he loved her for one. Hello guys. If you are new in the channel, welcome. Osinachi Nwachukwu has gotten justice at last. Wow. Osinachi Nwachukwu has gotten her justice at last. Yes. Thank God for the masses. Thank God for the outcry of people. Yeah, the husband has been sentenced to kpai by hanging. Men, una dey hear am o. Hey, people where they punch their wives, the way they use their wife do punching bag o, where they use their wives learn wrestling, where they use their wives learn boxing. Make una hear o. Peter Nwachukwu has been sentenced to kpai by hanging. So una hear am. Justice has been served for once, at least in Nigeria. Somebody get justice. It's good to get justice. Yeah, but the other way around, on the comment section, people are asking, oh, now justice has been asked by kpai by hanging. What about the children? What are they going to do? So, guys, put your comment down on the comment section. Tell us your own thoughts, okay? Share your view about this. So, keep watching, guys. If you are new in the channel, don't forget to hit the red button to subscribe to the channel. Like and share the video, okay? Yes, so that YouTube will always project the channel, okay? Yes, so we will be bringing you every latest news on this channel, okay? Yes, keep watching, guys. First in history, they have passed a fair judgment. Yes, justice has been served. Peter Nwachukwu, late Osinachi's husband, has been sentenced to kpai by hanging. Have you heard that? Breaking news. Yes, he has been sentenced to kpai by hanging. Kpai means exit, delete. Yes, he deleted our sister Osinachi. This man deleted our sister Osinachi, subjected her to all manner of domestic abuse. Yes, so they filed 23 count charges against this man, including that he pushed his wife out of a moving vehicle. Can you imagine that? He pushed his wife out of a moving vehicle. Somebody that said that he loved her for once. You said you love your wife, right? You love your wife and you push this woman out of a moving vehicle. Peter Nwachukwu, what was in your mind when you planned to do this? People gifted this woman 2 vehicles. You never allowed this woman to use it for one day. People gifted her 2 cars. This man, Peter Nwachukwu, was using this car, never allowed this woman to use her own car. This Peter Nwachukwu is the one running Osinachi's account. She channeled Osinachi's account direct to his own. Osinachi will go for business. They will call her for work. She will go and work. After working, her money will go straight to Peter Nwachukwu's account. And Osinachi will go on begging people for money to solve her immediate problem. Where have you seen this kind of thing? We are on earth. Have you seen this kind of thing? To someone that gave birth to 4 children for him. This woman gave birth to 4 good children that bears this man's name. Yet, this man subjects this lady to this kind of agony. Subject this woman to this kind of pain. Where have you seen it before? So, this is a lesson to men out there. I hope this can serve as a lesson to the people out there. The men, even men and women. Yeah. You, even if you're a woman, subjecting your husband to domestic abuse, learn this lesson today. Okay? Try and learn this lesson today. It is a hard lesson, oh. It is a hard lesson, but you gotta learn it. You got to learn this lesson to be on the safe side. Okay? There's no way you will be using your partner as a punching bag. Punching bag. Marriage is not meant for that. Marriage is meant for love. For love. Love each other. Do everything together. Hug each other together. Run your stuff together. Love each other together. That is what marriage is meant for. Have your kids. Train them so that they will grow up to the glory of God and also take care of you during your old age. That is what marriage is meant for. Okay? Marriage is not meant for fighting. It's not meant for quarreling. It's not meant for boxing, punching bag. No. Either man or woman using your wife as punching bag, or using your husband as punching bag, or you wife talking like parrot. Okay? It's not every man that can hold it. I'm not saying that the case of Osinachi is not that of talking papa. We all know that Osinachi is a very quiet, a very humble, a very nice woman. This is a wife material that every man, most men are praying for. But God gave this kind of woman to this man, this kind of human being that we don't even know if he's a human being or not. Okay? Because his behavior did not even portray human behavior. Okay? Yes. So, my people, that is what I say. Let me bring the update because I made a video when this thing happened. So, I say now that the judgment have been served, let me also bring the updates on the platform so that all of us will also hear the latest. They filed 23 count charges against this man. Can you imagine? Somebody will tell the children to beat his wife. You will beat your wife and he fall on the floor. If the woman fell on the floor, the man will tell the children to beat their mom. Abomination. This is unheard. Oh my God. Well, so this is judgment has been served. The man is culpable of the words start with H. Okay, you know, it's not all the words that we pronounce here. In case you hear any kind of word we say here, maybe it's because of the community guideline. So if you say it the way it's supposed to be, they will not monetize it, or they will, you know, that your video will not, you know, they may pull it down. So to be on the safe side, not to even use words that are not allowed, okay, on the platform. So the word start with H. You know, when the word start with H, so they say it's culpable with H word, then contrary to section 221 of penal code, which is punishable by hanging. Okay, you know what kpai means? Kpai means pass on to glory. You know, to delete someone. Yeah, that is kpai. Whenever you hear me saying kpai on this platform, you know that kpai is when you say you delete. because if I say it the other one, this video may not be monetized, and I wouldn't want to do my video and it will not be monetized. Okay, yes, so you got to flow with our slangs. Okay, it's because of the guidelines sometimes that we say words in some, yeah. So my dear, this is what happened though. If you have not heard, finally Nigeria government was able to pass judgement. Hey, hey, hey. They were able to pass judgement for the first time. For the first time, oh, justice. Hey, for the first time, justice is served in this our dear beloved country. Okay, yes, they say is in the man was against section 104 and section 379 of administrative code, as he assaulted the woman and you know by the lady through domestic abuse. So say no to domestic abuse. Say no to domestic abuse. Let me say it again. Say no. 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 No to domestic abuse. All forms of domestic abuse, say no to it. It will not benefit you to do so. It will not benefit anybody to do such. If you love your wife, I don't think you even think of doing anything harmful or anything that will hurt her. It is when there is no love that is where you see all these forms of domestic abuse playing out. So let us love our wives, let us love our children, let us love our neighbors, our fellow human being like ourselves. Anything you know that they will do to you and you will be angry, you will not like it, don't do it to anybody. Okay, don't do it to anyone. Nobody deserves it. If you don't deserve it, if you don't deserve it, nobody deserves it. If you don't deserve any abuse, any form of abuse, if you don't deserve any form of somebody maltreating someone or any form of mistreatment, don't do it to anybody. If you don't deserve it, nobody deserves it. Anything you don't deserve, know in your mind that nobody deserves it either. Okay, yes, so let us learn how to love each other. Let us learn to respect ourselves. Don't use any human being as punching bag. There is law guiding every country. If you know you cannot continue with that abusive marriage, exit. Nothing is holding you. They did not chain you or put shackles on your leg. They didn't put any shackle on your leg. So exit. You are free to exit at any moment. No country have said that when you are married to anybody that you must remain there for life or forever. No place that they have said that marriage is compulsory, is forever. No. Yeah, it is. Yeah, according to the Bible, according to the word of God, we say marriage is for better and for worse. Okay, yes, for life. Okay, yes, but it is when the marriage is the couple respecting each other, that is when it is for life. Okay. But when there is no respect for anybody, for each other, for no love, I beg you, for our broken language, I beg you, japa. If you know say that marriage don dey become toxic, if you know say the marriage don dey turn to toxic one, oh my sister, oh my brother, oh japa, oh exit on time when you still dey alive. Make you no dey there kpai yourself. Make you no dey there kpai or make person kpai you. No kpai or kpai person. If you know say you no fit continue, the love wey you see when you come in, the love no dey again. Abeg brother and sister, make you exit. Make you japa on time. Okay, when water never pass garri, you japa on time. Okay, this our Osinachi, assuming that this our sister said she spoke out on time. If she has said what happened on time, people would have Even the government, the law would have taken its course, and we remain alive. She don't need to japa. She don't need to kpai before law will take its course. Okay? When you speak out, speak out, speak out. Ladies, speak out. Even men that are under this kind of thing, speak out. It's not good for anyone. Okay? It's not good for anyone. So that is what I'm saying now. Okay, guys, I will end it here. I don't want to make this video so long. Okay? Yes. So if you are watching up till now, thank you so much. If you are yet to subscribe, hit the red button to subscribe to the channel. Like and share this video so that it will go viral, so that it will reach any man that is still doing this. Okay? Yes, my people. Let us end it here till we see again in the next video. Bye for now.